So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a RRSP account here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up on the home screen here, I want you to scroll down to where it says add an account. Press on that, then press on open a new account. Then on this page, I want you to scroll down to where it says RRSP. Save for retirement, earnings are tax-free and deposits are tax deductible. Go ahead and press on this. So once you're on this page right here, what would you like to invest in? So there's a registered savings account, there's stocks, options, and ETFs, there's portfolios, bond portfolios, alternative investments, etc. So this basically depends on which investment style you're looking to do. So if you want to go ahead here and open up a registered savings account, you can do that. There's stocks, options, and ETFs you can go ahead and trade. There's portfolios, bond portfolios, etc. So depending on what you want inside of your RSP, you can press the following options. Follow the steps that way and then proceed with the registration. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but this is how to open up a RRSP account on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.